Hello guys, so today we will learn something, a website or a database which is very useful for material scientists, and the name is the Materials Project. So it have multiple options to explore the phase diagram, synthesis explorer for your if you are focusing on synthesis, material explorer, and even the app. So today I will show you how we can use this material project for our research. First, you have to go to the website which is known as the Materials Project. Once you are on the website, you can simply log in using your Google account. If you don't have Google account, you can just create. I guess everybody have. So once you are logged in, it's free website and you can start exploring the materials. So once you are here, you will be able to see many materials at the bottom and their properties, and main thing is you can see the periodic table. So from here you can start exploring. Let's explore very simple material which is graphite, or we can say carbon or titanium carbide. So once you click, it will give you a materials. So with the material ID, formula, crystal systems, space group symbols, etc. So you have to click on this material ID, and then you will be able to get its all the properties almost. So the main thing is something interesting, which is about the crystal structure, how it looks. Many people want to use this in their research articles. You can use this after some modifications. So this looks interesting. So here are some options like show settings. From the setting you can see it's using different like bonds, atoms, polyhedral, axis, etc. And you can also see it's from the Vesta software, which I previously make a demo. There is another software which is JMOL. I have already made a video on that. So you can use or change their properties or see their properties. And then you can download this image as PNG or 3D model, GLTF, multiple options. So you can use this. This is the like structure, and these are the properties of crystal structure like lattice, atomic positions, summary, and number of atoms, etc. And apart from that, you can see another option is properties. You can go to its properties like methods, and there are reference which was used for this project, and electronic structure. Many people have seen these band structures in different articles, and you can even check the spectra like XRD. If you don't see, then you can generate diffraction pattern. It will give you some. Here you can see for these materials. So these are the information related to this spectrum, and you can check its mechanical elastic constants and their relevant equations, and these are the properties. And heterostructure you can also see, there are many others. And literature reference, the reference which are used to build these materials are related to these. You can also cite them if you need. So external links, you can also use these links to reach the other databases. And related materials like PU, sulfide, zirconium carbide, there are many materials related to this. You can also click on them and directly go to these materials. So this is the first thing. And the second thing, if you look at the left hand side, you can see molecular explorer as well. Okay, let's choose any molecule, like for example this. If you are from chemistry, it will open another match, and same thing you can use this after modifications. And bondings, thermal stability, all the properties are given here for any material. Similarly, you can use the JCESR molecules. Battery explorer, this is some people who are working on batteries like me. And synthesis explorer, you can insert the elements, it can give you the reactions, etc. Catalysis explorer, So this is also something interesting. All the material related to the catalysis are shown here. And the MOF Explorer, if you are working on that. And another important thing is phase diagram. You can build the phase diagram using these periodic tables. For example, let's find magnesium and aluminum. Let's check its phase diagram. So here are the phase diagram and multiple reaction spots where composition of aluminum and atomic formation energy, etc. Chemical potential diagram is here. So many other properties you can find. So this is crystal toolkits, reaction calculator, etc. So there are multiple options. You can use these options according to your own needs and research. So thank you very much. I hope this will be helpful.